everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Cassandra with That Thomas Life. In today's video, I wanted to show you some motivating things that you can do in your kitchen to sanitize. So it's going to be the top 5 things you need to sanitize right now. Let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is the coffee pot. Now for this, you want to wipe everything down first, make sure there's no coffee grinds in it. Same thing with your coffee pot itself. You're going to fill half of the coffee pot with water and the other half with distilled white vinegar. You're going to turn it on, but you're going to keep an eye on it because you want to stop it halfway through. That way the vinegar and water mixture will sit in all of the parts to help to disinfect, and then we will run it after that again. After this, we're moving on to the dishwasher. So for this, you want to take 1 cup of the distilled white vinegar in a dishwasher safe bowl and put it on your top rack. You're also going to put about 1 cup of baking soda at the bottom, and you're going to make sure you want to run it on a super hot cycle. This is going to really help to disinfect and deodorize your dishwasher. Okay, now back to our coffee pot. Now that it has run its cycle full for the vinegar and water mixture, we're now going to rinse out the coffee pot, and we're going to do 2 full cycles of just water. That way you don't get that vinegar smell or vinegar taste in your coffee. Now we're going to do the oven. The oven is pretty simple. You're going to put some baking soda at the bottom and spray a little bit of vinegar. You want to kind of make it into a little bit of a paste. Now I did use a microfiber cloth, but I kind of also needed a little bit more towards the end. You see me use a more abrasive, like a Scotch sponge that's a little bit rougher, to try to get some of the baked on grease or whatever I had at the bottom of my oven on there. And I also sprayed the vinegar on the glass itself, and it came off really easily. The next one is the microwave, which for me is a disaster, as you can see. It was just had stuff everywhere, and I think it's just because I am so short and my microwave is so high up, I just can't see it, so I just always skip cleaning it. But what you're going to do for this is get another microwave safe bowl, put 1 cup of water in it and 1/2 cup of the white distilled vinegar. You're going to put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes and let it stay in there once it's done for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once that's done, we're going to wipe it away, and you will see when I show you the video of how easily everything came right off. that our dishwasher has run its cycle, we're going to take the container out, and we're also going to take the bottom rack out. It usually comes out very easily. And we're going to get a microfiber cloth and some more vinegar spray and just wipe everything down on the inside. You want to also make sure you're wiping down on the outside of the dishwasher, on the edges, because you usually don't get those, as well as the top where the buttons are. I'm also going to use this stainless steel spray that I really like to just clean the front of it. I get a lot of water stains right on the front of my dishwasher. For the sink, you want to sprinkle some baking soda, and then I used this little brush, which my mom got this from Cyprus, so I'm going to try to link something similar, and just kind of brush out your sink. That way it helps to deodorize it and you get any crusties off that's stuck on there. Once your sink is clean, then we're going to work on the garbage disposal. So for the garbage disposal, we're going to put some baking soda right down there and pour some of the white distilled vinegar. Now it's going to make some bubbling sounds, and that's just eating away at anything that's left in your garbage disposal. Then what I did was put about 2 cups of ice down the disposal with some salt and some warmer water, and I ran the dish disposal until all of the ice was gone. Then I cut up a lemon and put a few of those pieces down the disposal one at a time, and then that way it kind of had a really nice smell, really good fresh smell. And then alright guys, and those are my top 5 places you need to sanitize in your kitchen right now. Please let me know below if you did, and I'm going to have some more videos just like this coming up soon. Talk to you guys later. Bye.